join me to sew the Monscorn backpack. In this lesson, I'll walk you through steps involved in printing and assembling your sewing pattern, and then we'll talk about all the different interfacing needed for this bag. I'll guide you on how to apply the monster and unicorn face, and I'll also show you how to install the buckles to make the straps resizable to fit any size. I'll guide you through the difficult steps of sewing gusset, adding zippers perfectly around the curved edges, complete with tips for a professional looking bag. Lastly, I'll show you how to birth the bag effortlessly. Designed for absolute beginners, the Monscorn bag is pretty easy to sew even though it might look tricky. And with my guidance and tips, you can easily finish it before the school starts, I promise. Hosted on a professional platform, the videos can be accessed 24/7 throughout your life after you have made your account on the site. With this purchase, you will get detailed step-by-step video lessons to sew 2 different bags, pattern pieces, as well as written instructions for the bags. Whether you are a beginner or an intermediate, you'll definitely benefit from this class. I'm Javeria, blogger and pattern designer at Sew Some Stuff, and I've been bag making addict for past 7 years, and I love sharing my enthusiasm for this hobby with others. Join me in this fun sewing lesson and make a super affordable and adorable bag for your kids and grandkids this back to school season. This pattern has been a complete hit among the little ones, so happiness is definitely guaranteed. Click the buy now button and enroll in the course now and get started with sewing this super adorable bag.